being taken out to Perry's tonight in the Domain. And I'm with David.
Hello, how are you?
What are we learning about tonight?
Today we're going to be learning about all three of the Buenaventura hotels brands. We have the adults only Villa Premier, which is our flagship hotel.
Yes.
We have the Buenaventura Grand, very well known, family friendly property right in the heart of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And last but not least, our off the beaten path Hacienda Buenaventura, often overlooked, but a great property for your clients who are looking for a more authentic experience.
So this is Puerto Vallarta.
Correct.
And
this is the most authentic part.
And we can definitely fly non-stop.
Non-stop from Austin, correct, on American
Yes.
Airlines, 4 days a week. And that's on a 737-800. And it departs at early enough where you could be on the beach by 11 a.m.
Yes. So book with Lainey.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Look who I'm with, my favorite people in Austin, Sheri and Carle Hurst, other franchise owners. This amazing paloma they made me. Ugh, I love Perry's. Yeah, cocktail. Oh, that looks good. Cocktail. I have to have grapefruit. I love my grapefruit cocktails. Oh my God, it's so delicious. I love Perry's.
I am so grateful that you came through for me, and I appreciate all of you for being here tonight.
We are really bad at that.
Turn it sideways.
Try the French onion soup here.
For a more authentic Mexican experience, what is this?
You have to have the Perry's pork chop if you eat at Perry's. This is the most amazing pork ever.
Face cover is required if you're approaching where they are, like.
We did.